Hi everyone, and welcome back to the 12 tags of Christmas. So today I'm just going to do tags I'm going to make tags using my die cuts. So I have some really cute die cuts, and I'm sure that a lot of you have die cuts in your stash that you just don't use very frequently. And you can think of them as coordinating with your stamps, but you don't have to use them exclusively with your stamps. So they can be used alone, or they can be used with a different stamp or whatever. It's kind of fun to think outside the box a little bit. And what I'm going to do is just punch out or die cut out a few of these little reindeer, which I think are adorable. So I'm just using my Big Shot. Going to put them through and then bring them back. And I'm going to do that again. And I think I might have room to do them one more time on here. We shall see. Yes, indeed. So I'll go ahead and make 3 of these. And you can do any shape that is a solid shape that you can tell what it is. Could have used the Christmas tree. You could even use this, it would be little tags, or you could use the sleigh. That would be really cute too. So you just want it to be a solid cutout. And then all you need is a little hole punch. And I'm going to use this little baby one just because I have it. I'm not exactly sure the best place to put the string. I don't really want to put it in his head, so that's why I'm going further back, which I know he's not alive. It's okay. I just don't want to put it in his head because I'm a weirdo. Okay. And seriously, this is it. I mean, I will use a white pen to write on here, but I'm going to take some of this twine, and you can use whatever color you have. And I don't think I can get this through without the help of a little tool. My little pokey tool comes in handy so many times. And I need some scissors. And for this one, I am just going to tie it up here. And you could use a gold pen or a silver pen or a white pen, anything that will work on dark for this particular one. And just write on here, to whoever, from whoever. Let me just go ahead and make a tag so you can see. To Katie. And sometimes I don't even put who it's from because they know that the gifts under the tree are from Dennis and me. So I think I'll just leave it like that, actually. And there we go. That's as simple as it is. And you can do some in red ribbon if you want to. Blue, yellow, whatever ribbon you have. If you have some gold twine, that would be pretty, or even just twine would be pretty. But gold, I don't know, there was gold and silver. It looked like little string, almost like little sewing string, but whatever you have like that would work just fine. And if you didn't want to tie the edge, the end like I am, because I don't always like to do it this way. I usually like to leave it open in the back. Oops, I have his head caught through here. Doot, 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 doot. There we go. I'll show you. I think that we can get, and I'm using a really tiny hole punch. I think that we can get both of them through that hole punch though. Both strings. My hand isn't wanting to work. I literally moved it this afternoon and I don't know, I like heard it kind of pop in here and then it was numb for a little while and it still doesn't feel quite right. So I probably pulled something. Oops. And it doesn't feel like it wants to move quite right. Okay, I'm going to cut this about here. It's probably too long actually. And then I'm just going to fold it in half. And then I will stick this through that little hole. And then I can do my loop-de-loop that I've been doing this whole week. Just take your fingers, put them through the hole, and then pull it up like that, and there we go. So there's our third reindeer, and that's as easy as it is. So I am trying to make these tags really easy and fast so that you can make them on the fly if you need to, because that's usually when I know I need a tag, when I run out. So there you go. If you wanted to embellish these, you could, but I don't really think you even need to because I think they're pretty just the way they are. So thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.